Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says find the value of this thing. So, look at this. You have something to the power something, and it has same situation over here as well. As you guys are aware of this property, look at this. I'll be using this one log a base b log a to the power log b base c. So if we are in this kind of situation and we are not getting any kind of idea, we guys can interchange these two personalities. So we guys can write b power log a base c. Okay, now look at this. This is log 9 base 2 power something, and here also it is log 9 base 2 power something. So for time being I will be writing log 2 base 9 as a. So we got a square power log 1 by log a base 2. Okay, same we will do it here. So it is 7 power 1 by 2 power 1 by log 7 base 4. Now look at this. Can I write down the same element as a square power log 2 by log a? I'm breaking this I'm applying this property log a base b as log a by log b. Okay, so I'll do the same over here as well. 7 power 1 by 2, so it goes log 4 by log 7. Okay, now can I write down this thing as a square power log 2 base a? Now here I will do the same thing. 7 power 1 by 2 power log 4 base 7. Now I will interchange this bubble with this 2, and we'll do the same for this and this. Okay, so it goes this way. So it is 2 to the power log a square base a, and then 4 to the power log 7 power 1 by 2 base 7. Now I will take this power at the coefficient. We know that if anything is in the power of argument comes at coefficient. So 2 power 2 log a base a becomes 1. Same goes over here. This 1 by 2 will come at the coefficient, and log 7 base 7 will become 1. So 4 power 1 by 2 is nothing but 2. Okay, so if you'll simplify the thing, you will get 8. Hence the required value is 8. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.